Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your microwave using a special trick. If you want your microwave to look like this, just keep watching. The first thing you want to do is you want to cut a lemon in half, and you're going to want to put it in a microwave safe bowl. Next, you want to add 2 to 3 cups of water to the bowl. Next, you want to set your microwave for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, you want to take the microwave safe bowl out of the microwave. Now your microwave is very easy to clean. As you can see in this video, all you need is a damp cloth, So there you have it. That's how I clean my microwave. You can give this technique a try. If you like this video, hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.